Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Today we brought you a deliciously healthy Barnyard Millets and Moong Dal Khichdi. For this we need Barnyard Millets 1 cup, around 125 grams. Moong Dal 1 cup, around 150 grams. Ginger, a small piece. Some curry leaves, 2 green chilies, turmeric half teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Soak millets in 2 cups of water for 3 to 4 hours. Likewise, soak moong dal in 2 cups of water for half an hour. Thoroughly roast the cumin seeds, green chilies and curry leaves in an earthen pot. Avoid heating the earthen pot empty, as it might lead to crack in the pot. Now add soaked millets and moong dal along with water. Add turmeric, ginger and stir well to mix. Add a cup of water and cook for 20 minutes with lid partially closed. Stir in between to prevent the khichdi from sticking to the base. Do not let the water dry out completely in the khichdi. Keep the khichdi slightly wet to taste better. That's it. Our super healthy and delicious khichdi is ready. Serve hot for better results. Thank you.